Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. So today you solve the questions based on some questions based on combination. Then all we are solving such a question which be mixed question means in which you are used the concept of permutation as well as combination. Okay, so note it. What is the number of ways? Yes, write it. What is the number of ways of choosing four cards from a pack of 52 playing cards? What is the number of ways of choosing four cards from a pack of 52 playing cards? In how many of these, yes, right, first part, four cards are of the same suit. Four cards are of the same suit. Second, four cards belongs to four different suit. Third, four cards are face cards. Fourth, two are red cards and two are black cards. And fifth, cards are of the same color. Cards are of the same color. So this is your question. Means total playing cards is equal to 52. So actually here you have 6 questions. Okay. So your first question is, what are the number of ways in which 4 cards can be selected out of 52 playing cards? So no doubt that can be done by 52C4. Okay. So you can write in this way, number of playing cards. Number of playing cards is equal to 52. So the number of ways to select 4 cards out of 52 is equal to 52C4. Is equal to 52C4. Yes, leave it. No need to let me solve it up to complete result. Understand? So that gives the total number of cards. Now come to your first part. Your first part is 4 cards of the same suit. Same suit means here you have 4 suits. Means diamond, heart, club and heart. Understand? And spade, sorry. Diamond, heart, club and spades. 4 suits are there. So here you have what is given. So either the 4 cards are of heart, 4 cards are of diamond, or 4 cards are of that means spade. Okay, 4 cards are of club. Understand? So in a suit there are 13 cards. You know, there are 13 cards in a suit, and 4 suits are there. Okay, and in between each of the element here you that means use a word or. No? So just I told you, when or word is there in between the two events, then what you do, you have to take the sum of that, all that possibilities. Okay, so here your question is 4 cards are of the same suit. So write in this way, if 4 cards are of same suit, na? So how many same suits are there here? Means either that be heart or diamond or a club or spade. So these are the 4 suits. Understand? So out of these, means here you have 4 cases. So if you are saying that all the 4 cards are of heart, so you can write 13C4, or so you write here plus. For diamond, you have again 13C4 plus. For club, you have write 13C4 plus. For spade, you have 13c4. Okay, so that be 4 times. So you have 4 into 13c4 is your result. So that is your total number of ways. That is your total number of ways. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, one time more, please, sir.
Okay. Actually, here you have four different suits. 4 different suits: heart, diamond, club, and spade. And your question is, in how many ways all the 4 cards are of the same suit? Means that 4 cards are of diamond, sorry, heart, that are of diamond, or that are of club, or that are of spade. Okay, so or word is there, so you have to add here for each of the ways, number of ways. So in a suit there are 13 cards. Okay, so for her 13 cards are there and you have to select it. Means 13c4 means, what does it mean? Here you have the number of ways that all the 4 cards are of heart. For diamond, again you have 13c4. For club, you have 13c4, and here you have 13c4. Okay, so here you see that each means same numbers are here occurs 4 times. So that's why here you write 4 into 13c4. That is your answer. Okay, now you come to your second part. So what is your second part? 4 cards belongs to 4 different suits. 4 different suits means, what does it mean? First card is of diamond. Okay, but what is your aim? Your aim is to selection of 4 cards. But what is given here? 4 cards are of different suits. Okay, so first card is of heart, second card is of diamond, and fourth is club, and the next one is of spade. Okay, so here you, what you write in this way. So here you can write 13c1. That means from each of the suit, here you select 1 card. Okay, so you write, if 4 cards, are of different suits, 4 cards belongs to different suits. So in this way, what you write? 13c1 and 13c2, 1 is there, and 13c1 and 13c1. Okay, you write in this way. So here you have 13 means its value is what? 13 into 13 into 13 into 13, and is equal to 13 to the power 4. So that is your answer. 13 to the power 4 cards are there. Now third point. Here you have, in third case, 4 cards are face card. So how many face cards are there? Everyone know about the cards, or you know that means study probability in class 10th. Okay.
12 face card.
In 10th, probability is also there. So how many face cards are there? 12 face card. Okay, and out of these 12 cards, you have to select any 4 face card. Okay, so right, number of face cards is equal to 12. Number of face cards is equal to 12. Okay, and you select any 4 card out of them. So right, so number of ways to select 4 cards is equal to 4 face card. You write here 4 face cards is equal to 12c4. That is equal to 12c4. But if you want to solve it, you go through it. But that is your answer. 12c4 is your answer. It's next part. So what is your next part? Fourth part. Your fourth part is 2 are red card and 2 are black card. So how many red cards and black cards are there? Actually, heart and diamond, all they are in red, and club and spade are in black. Okay, so 26 red cards and 26 black cards are there, and your question is 2 red card and 2 black cards are there, means of different color, है ना? So in that case your event is completed when you have 4 cards in your hand. So means 2 red cards, so that can be done by 26c2, and here and word is means that is exist. So other 20 to 26 black cards means 2 cards of black, so that can be done by 26c2. So in that case you have to multiply these two number of ways. Okay, so you write number of red cards is equal to 26, number of black cards, that is also 26, है ना? So you can write hence number of ways to select two red cards and 2 black cards. 2 black cards is equal to 26c2 into 26c2, or you can write 26c2 whole square. Okay, so that is your result. That is your result. Now you come to its last part. Cards are of same color. If you are saying that cards are of same color, what does it mean? Either 4 cards are of red, or here or word is exist in between the events, or 4 cards are of black. So what I am saying to you, if or word are exist in between the two events, then you add
Plus
yes plus. तो अब इसको अब
26c4 plus 26c4.
yeah. So right, fifth part. So number of ways to select the cards of same color. Cards of same color, है ना? So that is equal to 26c4 plus 26c4. Means either 4 cards are of red color or 4 cards are of black color. So here you have the same value. So you can write 2 times of 26c4. So if you are solving that, you will have your answer. So everyone, that means clear all that concepts, because here from tomorrow all we are studying revision on trigonometry. Okay, and in trigonometry the topic trigonometric equation is eliminated from CBSE, है ना? That be deleted this year. So वो हम लोग नहीं पढ़ेंगे, जो भी आप हम लोग के कोर्स में है उसको हम लोग क्विक थोड़ा रिवीजन करेंगे. और मैं तो आपसे ये एक जस्ट वेट because recording. Yes, right. From a class of 25 students, from a class of 25 students, 10 are to be chosen. 10 are to be chosen for an excursion party. For an excursion party. There are 3 students. There are 3 students who decide that. There are 3 students who decide that either all of them will join or none of them will join. Either all of them will join or none of them will join. How many ways can they be chosen? How many ways can they be chosen? Okay, so just see. Here you have total number of student. है ना? Total number of student is equal to 25. Okay. And out of these 25 students, 10 students are chosen for excursion party. And in these 25 students, 3 students are very close friend, and they are decided either all of them are join the party or none of them will join the party. है ना? So here you have two cases. In first case, all the 3 students are selected. So if all the 3 students are selected, then you have to select, means you have to select only 7 students for excursion party because 3 are already selected. So these 7 students can be selected out of 22 students because these 3 are in 25 students also. Getting my point? Okay. Now in second part, if the 3 of the students are not decided, means they are not selected for party, in that case, you have to select 10 students, in this case, from this 22 students. Understand? So here you have that means 2 cases. Okay. So right, number of student selected for party is equal to 10. 10 students are selected. Now in first case, if 3 students can join the party, this is your first case. If the 3 particular students join the party, hence the remaining 7 students can be selected out of 22. Out of 22 by 22C7 ways. So in this ways, they are selected. Any doubt? Now, second case. If 3 students are not joining the party, okay, so if they are not joining, in this case, what you do? So the 10 student
22C.
can be selected out of 22 by 22C10 ways. 22C10 ways. So what is your required number of ways? Yes, you have to add it. So right. So required number of ways is equal to 22C7 plus 22C10. So if you simplifying these two, you will have your answer. Now you write some mixed question. Everyone noted?
No, sir, nothing, sir. Yes, sir.
Not noted. And some of them are doing very well in your test. So keep it, all those who are doing well. And yes, Some of them that is a little bit mistakes are there. Some terms are missing, you know. So they have to practice on such or similar type of questions. Okay, beta, done?
Done, sir.
Right. Out of 7 consonants, yes, right, next question. Out of 7 consonants and 4 vowels, how many words of 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be formed? This is your question. Means number of consonants is given 7, number of vowels are here 4. So write number of consonant is equal to 7, number of vowels is equal to 4. Okay, and you have to form a word which contain 3 consonant and 2 vowel. So what you do means total letters of that required word is what? 3 plus 2, that means 5 letters. Okay, so first of all, what you do, you have to select any 3 consonant out of 7 and 2 vowels out of 4. So write the number of ways to select how many consonants? 3 consonants. 3 consonants out of 7 by 7C 3 ways. 7C 3 ways. So in 7 3 ways, you select the number of consonants. In the same way, number of ways to select 2 vowels out of 4 by 4C2 ways. So here you have the number of ways to select the consonant and vowels. Means only the selections are there. But if you are selected all these, so you have 5 letters in your hand. You have 5 letters in your hand. But these 5 letters can arrange themselves by how many ways? Factorial 5 ways. Factorial 5 ways. So you see that in this question.
So 25,200.
Yeah, correct. So in this case here you see that you applying the concept of combination as well as permutations. Okay, so you're right. Hence, 5 letters can arranged themselves. Can arrange themselves by factorial 5 ways. Factorial 5 ways. Now you can write the required number of words. Required number of words is equal to 7C3 into 4C2 into factorial 5. So in this way here you have your answer. So just to simplifying it and just check what is your result. So 7 into 6 upon 5 into 5 divided by 3 factorial, and you know the value of 3 factorial is equal to 6 into, for 4C2 what you write, 4 into 3 divided by 2 factorial, and you know factorial 5 is equal to 120. Okay, so simplifying it, so 5 to 12 here, 6 to the 12, and here you have 10. So just multiplying and check it. So 6 5 ja 30 into 7 210 into this one. So solve it, and you have 25,200. 25,200 is your answer. Understand? So sometimes such type of situations are there in which you have to applying the concept of combination as well as permutations also. Okay, right. Next question. In how many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word equation, using all the letters of the word equation, you write here word.
Sir, please repeat.
Letters of the word equation.
Please repeat the question.
Okay, just wait. How many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word equation at a time so that vowels and consonants are together. Vowels and consonants occurs together. This is your question. Okay. So first you check it. How many here word equation is given. Word equation is given, and how many vowels it contains. So first here you have just you see how many letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters are there. So right, number of letters is equal to 8. Number of vowels is equal to A, E, I, O, U. All the 5 vowels are there. So how many consonants?
3.
3. 3 consonants are there. Okay. And what is your question? All the vowels are together. All the consonants are together. Hai all the vowels are together and
Sir, 1440.
together. So if you have here 5 vowels, so the 5 vowels
Sir,
can
1440.
factorial 5 ways. 3 consonants can arrange themselves in factorial 3 ways. No problem for that. But the vowels and consonant can also be arranged themselves in factorial 2 ways. Means 2 ways simply. So if you multiplying all that, you have your answer. But what is your question? Sorry, you have to not taken all the vowels now. Here your question is, so sorry, you have to take all the vowels and consonants. So here all the vowels can be arranged themselves by factorial 5, all consonants by factorial 3, and vowels and consonant can arranged by 2 ways. Means first you write consonant then vowel, or first you write vowel then consonant. Understand? So they can be arranged in 2 ways. Okay. So if you multiplying all that, you will have your answer. So write in this way. Hence 5 vowels can arrange themselves by factorial 5 ways.
Sir,
In the same way, 3 consonant,
sir, is it 1440?
3 consonants can arrange themselves by factorial 3 ways. Okay, vowels and consonants can arrange by 2 ways. So they can arrange themselves by 2 ways. So right, required number of words is equal to factorial 5 into factorial 3 into factorial 2. Multiplying all that. So here you have 120 into 6 into 2. So 12 are 144 and you write here 10. So that is your answer. But if in this question, your question is like that, some means out of these 5 vowels, some vowels are taken. Out of 3 vowels, some consonants are taken. So in that case, your selection can be done. So first you select all that, the number of vowels and consonants, and then check how many letters in your hand. So that letter can be arranged, that number of factorial times. And in this way,
Sir, एक और जो रहेगा.
write your answer. Okay. Yes, right. Next question. Determine the number of 5 cards combination out of a deck of 52 cards if at least one of the 5 cards has to be a king. Okay, so this is your question. Means what is the meaning of that? Out of a 52 playing cards, you have to form a 5 card combination in which at least one card is a king. So if you are talking about at least one card of a king, then either one king is there, 2 king, 3 king, or 4 kings are there. So if you are going through this way, means your question is quite lengthy. Means you are finding the number of ways for 1 king, then 2 king, then 3 king, and 4 king, and then you adding all that, then you will have your answer. So if you want to, that means remove from that difficulty. Now, so what you do in that case? First of all, you find the total number of ways for the selection of 5 card combination. So that can be done by 52C5. Understand? And then subtract here. No any card is of king. No? Non-king cards. So there are 4 cards. 4 king cards are there. So if you remove from these playing cards, you have 48 cards in your hand. Okay, so how many non-king cards are there? So subtract that. So that be 48C5. If you subtract it from 52C5, you will have your answer. You will have your answer. Understand? Beta समझ में आई ये process?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes.
You solve that question and practice on similar type of questions. And yes, from tomorrow, all we are studying means revise here trigonometry.